friends, today we are making a very special kind of rice that is high protein rainbow pulao. It's containing an array of colorful vegetables and an array of 5 types of different proteins, making this a complete and nutritious meal. Let's see the recipe for this beautiful and nourishing pulao recipe. So to begin with, I have taken 1 cup of good quality rice and washed it. No need to soak it, just wash, and in the remaining water it will get soaked. Now for protein content, I have taken half a cup of masoor or red lentil, whole masoor, and soaked it. Instead of this, you can also take the green pulse, green lentil, that is moong, and I have taken half a cup of Nutrilla soya nuggets, which I have boiled and washed it thoroughly. Next, I have taken mushrooms, about 100 grams, and cut them into half or quarter depending on the size. Also, I have taken 100 grams of paneer and cubed it in the desired size. Let's proceed. Let's look at the vegetables now. I have taken some red and yellow bell peppers, 1 jalapeno which I have sliced, and some green peas. Also, I have taken carrots and French beans and some ginger and green chilies which I have chopped. So now let's proceed and cook the pulao. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee into it. If you don't like ghee, you can use oil. Once the ghee has heated up, I am adding these vegetables and saute them gently. Add very little salt, not much, otherwise vegetables will leave water. The vegetables are gently sauteed, so I take them out into a plate. Next, in the same pan, I'll saute the mushrooms. So I'm adding the mushrooms here and saute them gently. Once they are coated with the ghee, I am adding very little salt once again, just a tiny pinch, and saute with the salt as well. The mushrooms are well cooked as they have shrunk in the size, so I take them out as well. Lastly, add some more ghee, because if the ghee is completely used, if the ghee is still remaining, you don't need to add this. And now I am adding the paneer cubes here. Saute them. Again, sprinkle a little salt, and also here we have a difference that we are adding also a little chili powder and very little turmeric. Sprinkle on them and let them cook. The paneer is sauteed. Don't saute too much, otherwise they become hard. So let the paneer remain soft and moist. You can see here. So let's remove these also. Now for the final cooking, let's take 2 tablespoonful of oil, ghee again here, and let it heat properly. Once the ghee is nice and hot, I am adding bay leaves, cinnamon, elaichi or cardamom, 4 to 5 cloves, and some black peppercorns, about 10 peppercorns I am adding. Next, I am adding the soaked masoor or red lentil into this. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds also here. Saute it again, and this is done. So next I am adding the boiled Nutrilla or soya bean chunks. Saute well. Add pinch of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon. Saute well on low flame. Once the soy chunks are done, I have sauteed them for a minute. I am adding the green chilies chopped, ginger chopped, and French beans and carrot also I am adding at the same time, and saute these well again. Every time we add something, we will add a pinch of salt. Mix this well. Now I am adding the soaked rice into this and saute this. Saute this for about 2 minutes. I am adding 1/4 cup of fried cashew nuts. They are split cashew nuts. If you don't have fried cashew nuts, you can saute them while we are sauteing the vegetables and then add them. The rice has become crispy, and now it's time to add the water. I'll be adding 2 cups of water. We had taken 1 cup of rice, so I've added 1 cup, and this is second cup. Mix everything thoroughly. Now add salt as per taste. I am using 1.5 teaspoon and 1 tablespoon of biryani pulao masala. Mix well. Let's cover and cook this till this is half done. Let's check on the rice. The rice is almost done. Yes, so and even water is almost evaporated. Very little moisture is there. So at this stage I will add all the sauteed vegetables and the paneer. Mix them gently. See that they are very delicate so they don't break. Leave it open and cook for 1 or 2 minutes so that the flavors are well infused with the rice. And in 2 minutes time our pulav is ready. Let's serve. So our high protein rainbow pulav is ready. I am garnishing with some olives, which is optional. If you like you can use it, otherwise you can skip. And also drizzle some molten ghee here, and this is ready to serve. This is sure to win heart of everyone in your family and also your guests, and it is also going to nourish them well. Do try this recipe and share your feedback in the comment section. I'll keep sharing more recipes. Keep supporting me and subscribe to my channel, like and share the video. See you again. Bye.